We are driven by emotions. But as early as Socrates to the mathematician Blaise Pascal, they both observed that humans want the same thing: happiness. People will always make decisions based on what will give them happiness. Advertising and marketing appeals to this desire. Social media is built on quick shots of dopamine that reward us for interactions. Content creators build audiences by sharing content that makes people happy. Or even sometimes, people are happy being angry. It depends on the content. In this video, I'm going to cover the 7 basic emotions that marketing uses to develop feelings of happiness, which sway us to use a particular brand, take a course of action, or do something to help others. The first is certainty or comfort. Many of us do not like change. We like comfortable clothes, our favorite chair, the reliability of things that don't change, or to be reminded of happy times. Nostalgia is a powerful emotion that is used in many persuasive contexts. Nostalgia tends to bring up happy memories, but even more powerful is when they are shared experiences within a group. Connected with a product or brand, nostalgia always creates powerful emotions that sway our emotions. Second is variety, something new. Opening a present on your birthday, upgrading to the newest phone, trying a new restaurant, or simply shopping. These activities appeal to our sense of discovery, newness, and variety. Some like the risk of trying something new and always adopt new technologies before others. They thrive on challenge and uncertainty. And this also shades into the marketable theme of rebellion. Doing something unexpected, unconventional, or outright rebellious is an attractive emotional motivator for many people. The third motivator is significance. And this need is powerful, as it taps into the subconscious of every content creator, social media influencer, or ancient philosopher. People want to know the meaning and significance of their life. They desire to build a reputation or have notoriety and influence. With social media, this emotional motivator is magnified as people labor to create content that their followers will respond to. However, there are many other ways that people strive to find significance and meaning to their lives, such as politics, religion, family, money, but the appeal is the same: to know that somehow you've made a difference or an impact in the world. The next emotional motivator is growth or personal achievement. Related closely to significance, this motivator centers on the actions or achievements that one has accomplished. Advanced degrees, certifications, promotions, skills, or even learning a new language. This is the self-satisfaction of reaching goals or accomplishments and bettering yourself. One of the most powerful of all the emotional motivators is love and belonging, usually around family. Most advertisements use family as the centerpiece of their campaigns. We all desire to belong to a group, community, or to a spouse. Being part of a family provides comfort, acceptance, love, and many of the needs we have as humans. Because of this, you aren't just buying a mobile telecom service, you're buying a connection to family. It's not just new furniture, it's a place for you and your family to relax. It's not a TV, it's a home theater where everyone can enjoy a movie together. Charity is a happiness from helping others, contributing to something bigger than yourself, either in fighting for justice, saving the planet, or giving to those in need. Through good works, we may sacrifice some of our time or money, but this gives us an emotional satisfaction of charity and service. Lastly, fear. Now, fear is powerful and may be the most powerful, because for every emotional motivator listed, the opposite of every single one of them is fear. Fear of change, fear of going out of style, uncertainty, fear of missing out, fear of anonymity, fear of losing family, friends, money, or more. Here's the key with fear. The fear of loss motivates us far more than the promise of gain. With the promise of gain, we don't really lose anything. Loss means that something is taken away, which we don't like. Each of these emotional motivators are used to sway us in decision-making about nearly every brand, product, video, movie, or content we see. Look for these motivators in your media consumption, and you'll start to see them everywhere, and then you'll wonder how you didn't see them before.